guys, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor eXp Realty, coming to you from our newest listing, 615 Lakeridge Drive here in the highly sought after Carrington Lakes community. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home hits the market next week, so we're in coming soon status right now. But it does have 5 bedrooms, 2 on the main level, including the master. Just a great house, 3-car garage, fully fenced-in backyard, a wonderful screened-in porch overlooking your fenced-in backyard. Just a great overall family home at over 3,200 square feet. This house is located in the Carrington Lakes community, one of the best communities here in Trussville. Fully master planned, gated. You've got swimming pool, walking trails, fully stocked ponds for fishing. Just a great place to raise a family. As always, you can check out all the photos of this home on our website, mynewbirminghamhome.com. And if you would love to see this home in person or know somebody who would, just have them reach out to our Team Taylor agent, mynewbirminghamhome.com, and we'd be happy to show it to you in person. Once again, thank you for watching the video and look forward to seeing you here at 615 Lakeridge Drive.